It's amazing what a simple video can reveal. When I first heard about a $10 business that could create life-changing income, I'll be honest with you, I really didn't believe it. And this was years ago that I watched this video. But then I watched a short video that explained how it really works, how a small decision like this, the kind most people overlook because it's only $10, can turn into something steady and powerful over time, especially if it's in a system. Okay, now like I said, this was years ago that I watched this video, and the video that I use now in my system to advertise this $10 business is much better than what I watched. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's not about building something, or it's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building something real, something simple and affordable that works for you in the background while you're living your life. If you ever wished for a way to earn online without a huge startup cost or complicated tech, this little $10 system might surprise you. You can watch the video here, and I'll have this link below this video. And sometimes all it takes is $10 and a few minutes a day to see what's truly possible. And here's my email showing you what is possible. Okay? God bless and take care. And if you have any questions, post them below in the comment section.